Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can sign up Among Us. So first of all, you have to do is launch the Among Us application. And as I do that, after a couple seconds or after a couple seconds of loading, you will get to a page like this. Here, tap on My Account in order to sign up. Then you will see your Google account on your right hand side. All you have to do is tap on Continue, or if this is not the Google account you wish to go forward with, simply tap on the arrow here and choose a specific Google account. Once you have selected the Google account, tap on Continue. And in here, scroll all the way below and simply allow access by tapping on Continue. Now here, scroll below, tap on Continue again. And here under age verification, mention your date of birth. Make sure that you type in the information correctly. Tap Submit. And likewise, it says choose a friend code. If you do not have a friend code, you may go ahead and skip it. Now tap Confirm. Now it was a success. All you have to do is go about playing this game. And just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.